This event will absolutely change your life.
As included in your songwriting degree at Point Blank, you experience a professional songwriting bootcamp in your first term.
We kind of divide it in different groups and just try out different rhythms and riffs, and also kind of get out of your head a lot more. Like, you generate ideas, but then other people kind of see them from their point of view and change them a little bit, and it kind of becomes something new.
Being able to bounce my ideas out has been really helpful to me in my, my confidence and my ability to work well with others and collaborate.
It's more inspiring, when you have a beautiful place around you, and also a place that, is made for the purpose of what you're doing. It inspires you more.
It's an opportunity for the students to really get to grips with working collaboratively together and creating something that is a result of all of their different skills.
There's been creative freedom, and I think that's basically lent its hand massively into this whole thing, and so I think it is absolutely vital for anybody that wants to be a songwriter or produce great art.